Hey everyone, today these two sets arrived in the mail. One of them's from Annan, and one of them's from World Flags Direct. This one should be a military flag set, so we should have the flags of the service branches, and the other should be a historical set, as you can see right here. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing these flags. Yep, these are the US military flags right here. Should also come with a stand. Yep. So, we have the Navy flag. We have the Coast Guard flag. We have the flag of the Marine Corps. The flag of the US Army. The flag of the Air Force. The US Air Force. The flag of the United States. Finally, the flag of the Space Force, which is our newest branch. Yep. And our next one is should be some colonial flags. Let's get that out. All right. Pretty neat. So first we have the Bennington flag right here. The Continental flag. The Betsy Ross flag. The 15-star flag. And finally, the Gadsden flag. You may notice that all of these are USA themed. This is because I'm collecting a lot of American flags for our country's 250th anniversary, which I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in another video.